그저 슬쩍슬쩍 바라만 보고 있네. 벌써 몇 번째인지 몰라. 사랑에 빠진 것 같아.
So, Blackpink just released their new single this morning, Ice Cream. And my sisters are really big fans of Blackpink, so I decided why not recreate one of the makeup looks in the video, which is Jennie's makeup look in the beginning. This is the look she wore, which is this bright pink, blue, purple moment, and I'm totally in love with it, so I decided to recreate it. And I haven't done a makeup tutorial or look in a while, so I'm getting pretty rusty, so please forgive me if it's not perfect, but I did my best and I think it looks good. So, I'm doing this video because I'm trying to procrastinate editing my video for this week. So, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So for my eyebrows, I just did it really quickly. I tried to copy her shape as much as I can, and she had really light eyebrows in the video, and I don't think I can pull off that look as well as Jennie, so I've made it a bit darker but still gray. So to start off the eye look, she has bright pink in her inner eyelid space, and in the middle she has purple and blue on the side. So to start off, I'm gonna be choosing this light pink shade just so that it won't be too vibrant at first, so I'm just gonna be putting it there. So to pack in the bright pink color, I'm going to be using a more condensed brush. I'm not sure how to call it, but I'm just going to be grabbing the bright pink shade and be patting it on the inner corner here. So I pushed it too far in the middle, so I just cleaned it up with a cotton bud. Now I'm going to be using this purple shade to go in the middle of my eye. Lastly, for the blue, I don't have the exact mint green shade she has, but I do have this shimmery blue, so I'm going to be using that one and I'm going to be going over my outer corner. So for her inner corner, she had some sort of purpley shimmer, so I'm going to be using my Huda Rose Gold palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Pink Diamond, which is this one. So now that I'm done with this eye look, I'm going to be going in with the black eyeliner, and I'm going to be doing that off camera because I'm just going to be doing a simple winged liner. I just finished with the eyeliner. I drew a little bit with the gel liner on my bottom lash line just so that it can give the illusion of a fuller lash line, which I don't have. So now I'm going to be going onto my lashes. First, I'm going to be curling it before applying falsies. So I'm gonna be putting on false lashes now. I'm using this one by Reepy. I got it from a drugstore in Japan, and it's actually my sister's, so thank you to her for letting me use one. Lastly, for the look, Jennie has pink lipstick and it's very muted and soft. So I'm gonna be using my Sunnies Face in Girl Crush, and I'm just gonna be patting it on the center of my lids, and I'm gonna be blending it out with my fingers. So this is the completed makeup look. I enjoyed doing this so much. It was so fun and easy to do. Like, look at it, it's so cute. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Also, give this video a big thumbs up. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm stuff. I'm not really sure how it works, but I heard it helps, so please give me a big thumbs up. Also, check out my Instagram. I'll link it somewhere here, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!